Well, hi there, and welcome to another episode of Hey, What's Next? This is a quick tutorial where we're going to re-explore the Bauhn Bluetooth speaker from the prior video, but I wanted to focus a little bit more on the data connection between your phone and this speaker. I take it for granted sometimes that everybody knows how to do that, and I didn't cover that as well as I should have in the last video. So I'm making up for it. Connecting to the Bauhn Bluetooth speaker and the steps involved. This is what's next. We're going to do this video in two parts. The first part will be connecting via Bluetooth. The second part will be connecting via a hardwired connection. Let's start with Bluetooth. So I'm using an iPhone 14. Just like Android, you should have a Bluetooth setting in your settings app or your system preferences or whatever it happens to be called. And by selecting Bluetooth, you can then access all the Bluetooth devices that are currently available. Right now, we don't have the speaker turned on. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, you get one loud voice other than my own coming from this speaker, and it's saying it's ready to pair. We know that this speaker is BX214. If we happen to look at our Bluetooth devices, you'll see right here BX214. Yes, they probably could name it a little bit better, but it's usually the model number. If I select this, and in a few moments,
the Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
The Bluetooth is connected. I can then come here and I can play music. Okay, well, what if you don't want to be connected to the Bluetooth device? Simply go back into your Bluetooth settings, and in the iPhone iOS app, I'm going to click I to that device and say disconnect. If I never want to connect to it or connect another device to the speaker, go ahead and select forget this device. And now this speaker is ready to be paired with another piece of electronic, another phone, an iPad, a tablet, through the Bluetooth connection. All right, let's talk about hardwired connection. Right now, I have a 3.5 millimeter plug, male, on both ends. This speaker does not come with it. It only comes with the USB charging cable. More expensive speakers may have this already in the box. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the auxiliary port here. We currently have the speaker on, and then you're going to hear a prompt with that annoying voice again.
Auxiliary input mode.
So it's telling me that the auxiliary is now connected. Now, of course, I only have this. It's not connected to anything. My iPhone does not have a headphone jack anymore, as most cell phones don't. What I can do is I can connect to the Lightning port or the USB port using an adapter of some sort. This is the adapter to change it into Lightning. And if I connect this up, the phone is now connected, and I can go ahead and start playing music. And that's how you connect via a hardwired connection. For a lot of you, I know that this was probably very basic information. You already know it. But I take it for granted that a lot of my audience may not know actually how to connect to the speaker. I'm going to do a better job with future videos that are coming up and explain step by step the connection process or the setting up process, or even if we tear down something. So I've learned from this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. And if you want this channel to appear in your feed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. Thank you for watching, and in the meantime, you can watch another episode either here or here. And until next time, I'll see you again for another episode of Hey, What's Next?